Hey, what's up, y'all? Domino7 here. Alright. I'd like to welcome y'all to this unboxing, okay? As y'all see at the bottom of y'all screen, used to be at the top of y'all screen. Well, whatever. Whatever y'all looking at me on, okay? YouTube, Daily Motion, Instagram, whatever. I don't know what y'all looking at me on. But anyway, let's get things started. About to do an unboxing, okay? This is going to be a huge package, but before I do the unboxing, I want to tell y'all, I was supposed to do the unboxing on my Facebook Live downstairs, but due to the inconvenience, well, we ain't going to say that, okay? But anyways, what I'm about to unbox is this. This is so hefty. Alright. Oh, it's heavy. I'm going to unbox this. The Costco 5-piece set. Table and 4 chairs. Okay. Here I go. Alright. Let's put it a little lower. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. So. Alright, here we go. About to get started. Oh, this thing broken on the chair. But anyway, never mind that. Okay. So here we go. As I open this part. Use some scissors. Open this box up. Okay. Alright. Alright, so. Down. Okay. Got a, oh damn it. Almost out of paper cut. Okay. Gotta use these scissors to, oh shit. Excuse my language, folks. Okay. I'm coming, y'all, but this unboxing is tough. Very tough. Okay. Alright. Let me unbox this shit. I mean, this crap. Or whatever y'all want me to say. Alright. Okay, let's see. Open the box like this. Oh my. Oh. Alright, here we go. I got it. Alright. So here we go. Chair number 1. Hefty. Chair number 1. Chair number 2. Chair number 2. Okay, wait a minute. Chair number 3. Chair number 3. And chair number 4. Alright, chair number 4. Alright. Got 4 chairs. Alright, and next that I'm about to pull out is the table. The table. Alright. Yeah. Let's get this box out of here. Put it in the hallway. And show y'all the table. Let's turn it around like this. And show y'all again the table. Alright. So anyway. I don't know what I had on my finger, but anyway. Okay, join me downstairs, okay? I'm going to show y'all where the table gonna go, okay? Downstairs, okay? Alright, everybody. As y'all saw my unboxing upstairs, well, the beginning of it, or whatever, okay? So let's start with the table, okay? Alright, the unboxing shall continue, okay? I'm open this plastic up. Alright, open it from here. With a tape at, of course. Alright. so y'all can watch me set this up. Okay. All right. Sit over here. Are y'all? Wait a minute. Are y'all watching me? Let me see. I have to make sure I got the camera in place. Okay. Okay, there we go. I need to make sure y'all watching me good. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. Okay. So as I'm setting the table up over here, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's put the table over here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's okay fit. All right. So I guess I'll be able to put two chairs under this table, I think. Okay. Now with this chair, of course. Okay. Hope I mess up this official unboxing. Okay. Okay. All right. Put the chair over here, yes. Right here. And this other chair, as y'all watching me though, okay. Put the chair, as y'all see, the chair over here. Another chair, as y'all watching. Y'all think I should take these white things off? Probably tomorrow. Or later today, I guess. Okay. Alright. Look at this. Alright. Back in action. Okay. So let me just sit at this table right here. Voila. If y'all can see me. If y'all can't see me, oh well. Sorry. That means it's messed up. Let me. Oh yeah, y'all could see me. Okay, so here I am. Sitting at the chair right here. While I eat right here. I'll eat here sometime though. Okay? Alright, Merry Christmas, folks. Alright, thank y'all for watching this unboxing. Okay? So let's look over here. There it is. Alright, bye-bye.